So hi guys, I did receive my faucet for the kitchen. So from Lowe's, it's right here. If you guys have been following me, you know I'm working on a kitchen, I'm working on my bathrooms, I'm working on like a lot of. I'm trying to remodel the whole house. So I'm doing like different projects at the same time. So the kitchen is done; it just need a countertop. But I did order this kitchen's sink faucet. It came from Lowe's. There's a box. Says Lowe's. You can see it. Hope you can. Yep. So let's put that on the side over there. And this is the kitchen's. This is the faucet that came. It's Moen. Model number is right here. This is Adler, whatever the whole number is. If you've been thinking about getting some of this, I like it. I do have another one in another house that we completed remodeling, and it's on the market. A different version of this, but it's not this color. It lights up when you turn the water on. If you're following my videos, maybe you've seen me post something like that. So when you turn the water on, there's lights coming. Light comes through here, and it's super nice. That's how it is. It looks like that. If you guys want to, I can open it so everybody can see. Even though I'm not installing them today, but I will install it later, and I will make sure to make a video for it. It looks like that. How did this happen? Maybe it comes on the sides. So when you open it, it looks like this in the box. It comes with pretty much everything you need, seriously. It comes with everything. It comes with this little plastic wrench. This is so important when you're installing these things. It comes with this. It comes with this braided water lines. It gives you the option of putting this on top of your counter if you wanted to. I'm just gonna make a hole because it's a granite countertop. But it's a beauty. It looks nice. Follow me, you will see me install this. We can do it together. I'm not a pro in any way, shape or form. Just some guy that's trying to do some stuff, you know, and do it himself. So it comes with all the stuff you need here. And actually, if you go on the back of this box, it tells you what you really need to install this. It's pretty it's simple. Like anybody can do this. It's just that we get intimidated with things, you know, and sometimes when you hire people and you see how they do it, it just looks complicated and hard. But the reality is, like, if you just try, like, that's why I'm doing those videos, to give somebody courage to try. You know what I mean? So I've never done this before, but there's nothing special about the people that do this, you know. The only difference is that they went to school, they got some training, they got the license as plumbers, and I didn't. But I can learn from watching YouTube videos. Thank you guys who post all this YouTube videos, how to do stuff. But I don't know, I just learn. Man, you can do this, all right? In the back here, I don't know if this is my camera, you can see this, but in the back here, it just gives you, it's a screwdriver, a wrench, and a plumber's putty right here. All these things you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever. Some places they have Menard. So just a simple screwdriver, this wrench, there's one already in the plastic one that will help you tight. And that's pretty much all you need to install this thing. All right. If you're scared and you've never tried this and you're unsure about yourself, hey, follow me and we can do this together, okay? there it is. Moen Adler, that's the model number right there. And it looks like that. Let's install this together. I'm not a pro, promise you, but I'm gonna do it. All right? All right, see you in the next one when we install this one or another project. Take care.